if you have a lawyer participating in your asylum interview with USCIS, can they talk in the interview? What role do they play? The answer is yes, they can, but they don't talk a lot, all right? At the end of the interview, they're given an opportunity to say a few words to make kind of like a closing argument. And that's a good opportunity. We use that to address things that have come up during the interview that we think the officer maybe doesn't understand very well, or maybe there's things that we think the officer views as a weakness in your case based on the questions they ask. We think this. And so we'll go back and address those issues to really just drive home the most important points or to educate them. But during the rest of the interview, yeah, we do jump in sometimes, actually pretty frequently, to make sure there's no communication issues. Like sometimes sometimes it's interpretation issue. Sometimes it's just they're talking past each other. And this is important because if the officer misunderstands you, they may think it's an inconsistency and they may use that against you and use it as a reason to justify a denial. Okay. So we jump in to clear up errors in communication or communication issues. We make sure the officer is treating you respectfully and that they're doing their job correctly. So yeah, and just having a lawyer in the room can make a big difference. Okay, the officers tend to act more, in my opinion, in my experience, they act more professionally and just do a better job when there's a lawyer participating, whether it's in the room or virtually on video conference or telephone. I think it's exactly the same in terms of the value a lawyer brings, whether they're virtual or in the room with you.